The Middle East is one of the most hotly debated regions in the world today. The region has become increasingly heated again, especially due to the ongoing conflict between Iran and Israel. The tension between these two countries has led to a lot of attention around the world regarding missile attacks, drone attacks, and air defense systems. When it comes to modern warfare technology, this conflict is considered a prime example in the world today. In this conflict, missile attacks as well as drone attacks play an important role. Among these drones, one of the most talked about in the world is the Shahed-136 drone. The Shahed-136 is not an ordinary surveillance drone. This drone is known as a kamikaze drone or loitering munition. That is, the drone does not fly to the target and return. It directly hits the target and explodes, destroying it. This drone is manufactured by a company called Shahed Aviation Industries. This drone was introduced in the early 2020s. In a very short time, this drone has gained a lot of attention in the world of warfare technology. When looking at the design of the Shahed-136 drone, it has a delta-wing design similar to a triangular shape. This design gives the drone stability and long-range flight capability. The nose section of the drone houses the explosive warhead. The length of this drone is about 3.5 meters. The wingspan is about 2.5 meters. The total weight of the drone is about 200 kilograms. The warhead of the drone weighs between 30 and 50 kilograms. Now let's look at the engine system of this drone. The engine of the Shahed-136 drone is a small piston engine located at the rear of the body. This engine pushes the drone forward through a propeller. Security analysts say that this engine design is similar to the engine model produced by Limbach Flugmotoren. There are estimates that this engine provides a power of about 50 horsepower. Since the propeller is located at the rear of the drone, it is called a pusher-propeller configuration. The sound produced by the engine is similar to the sound of a lawn mower, which is why soldiers sometimes call this drone a flying lawnmower. The Shahed-136 drone can fly at a speed of about 180 kilometers per hour. It is also estimated to have a range of 1,000 to 2,000 kilometers. Now let's look at the navigation technology used by this drone to find its target. The Shahed-136 drone uses a GPS navigation system and an inertial navigation system. Before launching the drone, the coordinates of the target location are programmed into the drone. After the drone is launched, it uses GPS satellite signals to determine its position. Using this data, the drone automatically flies to the target location. Even if the GPS signal is lost, the drone does not completely lose control. The reason for this is the inertial navigation system. This system uses gyroscope and accelerometer sensors to calculate the movement of the drone. Therefore, even if the GPS signal is temporarily jammed, the drone can continue to move in the target direction. Now let's look at the wing design of this drone. The Shahed-136 drone has a delta wing structure similar to a triangular shape. This design increases aircraft stability. It is also a very suitable design for long-distance flight. The wingspan of the drone is originally about 2.5 meters. This wing structure is made of lightweight materials. The lightweight structure increases the fuel efficiency of the drone. There are two vertical stabilizers at the wing tips. These stabilizers provide flight stability to the drone. These stabilizers are important for controlling the direction when the drone is flying at high speed. The way the Shahed-136 drone is launched is also special. Often, several drones are launched at once from truck-mounted launchers. The method of launching several drones at once and sending them to the target is called a drone swarm attack. This drone attracted a lot of attention in the world during the Russia-Ukraine war. It was reported that Russia used this drone in that war. Recently, there has been a lot of attention again about Shahed-type drones in the Middle East situation. There have been many reports of drone attacks, especially during the conflict between Iran and Israel. Israel is trying to intercept drones using air defense systems like Iron Dome to counter such drone attacks. Today, warfare technology in the world is changing rapidly. Experts believe that technologies like artificial intelligence, autonomous drones, and swarm warfare will be a major part of future wars. Among them, drone systems like Shahed-136 are considered to be a technology that clearly demonstrates the concept of New Age drone warfare to the world.